Welcome to his grooming. I just want to share a little thing with all my Perth wax therapists. Um, you see, we are buying very expensive products from our suppliers to clean our furniture, wax spots, and wax residues. For furniture, wax spots, the other part of the outside of the wax spot, and your top of your tabletops or your furniture, this is the best glue and stain remover. You don't need to spray this thing directly to your wax cartridges, and be careful with your wax pot, so you should not spray in the wax. But this is oil based, so it will not make it damage your furniture or anything. Just spray, clean with your wax strip, and job done. That's all. Take care. Have a lovely day.